friends, welcome to CEC Gurukul Live Lectures. Dear friends, this is a session on career counseling called Pratibha Samvardhan, and today we are talking what are the career options in the area of psychology. If you really wish to make your careers in psychology, then we have a right person to talk to on this particular issue, particular area, and she is Miss Nandini Datta. Miss Nandini Datta is working with Jitin Chawla Center for Career. She is a profile builder there, and she has herself did her masters in clinical psychology. So she is the most appropriate person to talk on this particular area. So let's welcome her once again, and let's try to understand why psychology or why psychologists are important. What is their importance in today's world? So Ms. Nandini, welcome once again. And though we have discussed a lot how psychologists can play different role by adopting different characters, or I would say they take a shape of the person who are the torch bearers who help the people. Now, what is the importance in today's world? Because we have seen everybody is in a stress, a kind of stress, be it students, be it the youth, or the people who are searching for jobs, or those who are into job, or those who are settled also. Everybody is in a stress. So do you feel so that yes, psychologists are required for each one of us?
Of course. I think psychology or psychologists per se, I think they are needed in every domain and for every individual. Even though people don't consider going to a psychologist, they have this social stigma or taboo that is attached to going to a psychologist कि क्यों जाना है साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास, ऐसा क्या हो गया जो खुद से डील नहीं कर पा रहे. बट देर आर सो मेनी थिंग्स दैट वी कांट रियली एक्सप्रेस इन वर्ड्स एंड वी कांट रियली share with other people or share with even our closed ones. So I think उस चीज़ के लिए हमें साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाना चाहिए, काउंसलर्स के पास जाना चाहिए, बिकॉज वी कैन कंसिडर देम एज अ थर्ड पर्सन. तो वो एक बहुत न्यूट्रल पर्सपेक्टिव देंगे हर चीज़ पे. तो आई थिंक अगर हम उनके पास जाएंगे वील बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड आवरसेल्व्स ऑल्सो बेटर. अगर हम उनके सामने अपने इमोशंस एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, अपने फीलिंग्स एक्सप्रेस करेंगे, तो दे विल बी एबल टू मेक अस रियलाइज कि व्हाट एग्जैक्टली आर वी गोइंग थ्रू. एंड बी इट anybody, somebody who's even well settled, maybe they're earning crores of rupees but they're still not satisfied. But ऐसी क्या चीज़ है कि उनको they're earning so much also and they're still not satisfied. तो ये चीज़ें तो घर बैठे बैठे नहीं समझ में आएंगी किसी को, राइट. यू रियली हैव टू, जैसे इफ़ यूजली जैसे हमें कभी फीवर होता है तो हम डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं, दे गिव अस अ मेडिसिन एंड वी टेक इट, राइट. सो वी डोंट रियली क्वेश्चन देम कि ये मेडिसिन क्यों दिया है, हम ले लेते हैं बिकॉज वी नो दे आर स्किल्ड इन दैट प्रोफेशन एंड दे नो कि वो क्या कर रहे हैं. सेम वे साइकोलॉजिस्ट have that skill of dealing with emotions, have that skill of communicating with people and understanding them. So why don't we ever go to a psychologist when we're not feeling okay? And it is okay to not feel okay, firstly, but if you're actually not feeling okay and you know that there is something that is bothering you and something that is not letting you become fully satisfied in life, or you're continuously experiencing a lot of stress, a lot of frustration, a lot of anxiety, तो हम जा सकते हैं. वी कैन take our own steps to cure ourselves or to improve ourselves on that. So I think psychology as a domain or psychologists as professionals are much needed.
Now my question is specifically it is centric to the students or the youth. Many of times we have seen people say that specifically youth or the students, the school going students or the college going students, nobody understands us. Specifically, if I talk about, their parents don't understand them. They know who they are, what they want to be, what they think, and how they're thinking, how they're taking the world, because they are moving with the passage of time, but the parents are unable to understand. We feel so such students, such people should go along with their parents to the psychologist, because the psychologist is the right person who will judge you very well, and he is the person, she is the person who will explain to the parents, yes, your child is thinking in the same way. Because हम कहते हैं ना कि generation gap है, parents कभी कभी समझते नहीं हैं,
right.
But psychology feels so the counselor or the psychologist will definitely help the student or the youth कि वो बता सके student को, उनके parents को, your child is on the right track.
Of course, and I think which is why I say psychologists or counselors as a profession should be in schools. And because school एक ऐसा time है, and I think 9th to 12th या फिर after 6th, students are, apart from academics, there are a lot of things that they get involved too. And to understand कि वो सही direction में है नहीं है, the parental pressure that they are going through, academics and marks, grades, maths, science, and what to do, what not to do, I think all of this creates some amount of pressure on the kids also, which we kind of neglect, and the parents don't really understand. And they're able to understand, their perspective is also right, but कहीं ना कहीं वो gap आ ही जाता है. And वो gap कौन cover करता है, it's where psychologists come in or counselors come in. Somebody who helps to understand both the perspectives, somebody who understands the parents' perspective as well, somebody who understands the child's perspective as well, and then gives a confirmed decision ki you can work like this, or you can practice these things to work in a more normal way, work in a more operational way. Somebody who is maybe say dealing with a lot of stress, तो हम उनको tips and tricks दे सकते हैं. Psychologists can help with a lot of techniques of stress management, and I think that comes into play and that also helps them a lot. But we really need to take that one step of going to a psychologist, because if we have that thing in our mind कि psychologist के पास जाना ही नहीं है, तो हम वो टेक्निक्स तक, हम वो की एस्पेक्ट्स तक पहुंच ही नहीं पाएंगे. हम अपना डेप्थ ऑफ प्रॉब्लम का डेप्थ हम समझ ही नहीं पाएंगे कि एग्जैक्टली हो क्यों रहा है. टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी रियली नीड टू कंसिडर समबडी हु इज स्किल्ड इन दैट प्रोफेशन, समबडी हु नोज द निटी ग्रिटीज ऑफ दैट प्रोफेशन. तो हमें पहले साइकोलॉजिस्ट के पास जाना होगा टू अंडरस्टैंड कि येस मुझे ये प्रॉब्लम हो रही है और मुझे इस चीज़ का सोल्यूशन चाहिए. So I think that goes for every profession, every age group, चाहे वो 45 ईयर का इंडिविजुअल क्यों ना हो या वो 12 ईयर की लड़की क्यों ना हो. So I think it applies to both.
Though we have the psychologist or the counselors at school level, and you yourself said studying psychology made difference in your life, you have started perceiving things in a different manner. So if we introduce psychology as a subject in school curriculum, it would help students also?
Of course it will help students, because psychology is not just studying the scientific study of human behavior and processes. ये तो बस definition है. But there's so much in psychology. You learn about happiness, you learn about well-being, you learn about self-esteem, you learn about what issues people go through. तो I think उससे क्या होता है, आप पढ़ रहे हो तो you are able to understand also कि शायद ये मेरे में है और मैं इसको कैसे ठीक कर सकती हूँ. How can I improve my self-esteem issues? How can I improve my emotions? How can I be able to better control my emotions? So all of these comes again by reading. And psychology is a subject that is very interesting also, because you learn a lot about the human behavior, and who doesn't want to learn about human behavior. अगर मैं आपको देख के बता सकती हूँ कि आप exactly क्या feel कर रहे हो अभी, तो I think that is so much interesting and you would want to study it further. I think it happened with me also, because initially I was not planning in going into psychology. My plan had completely changed in class 12th. I had psychology as a subject, and bus I took that one decision of pursuing psychology, and I just took it and I went with the flow, and here I am, and talking about psychology, it makes me feel so good that people are taking up psychology and it is growing in India. People are understanding the importance and value of mental health, and it just makes me feel good that I'm here talking about psychology, something that I wanted to do, and it is helping people around. So yes,
in a way it is an idea how to preserve humanity, because once you understand what psychology is, or the theory beside the psychology, you are able to understand what people think, you are able to understand the human mind, the human soul, and then it is I mean very easy for you to build that rapport. The rapport could be of a peace, a friendship, and yes, everybody is at solace then, because you have that understanding.
Yes.
If somebody is very angry, but you have an idea, yes, why person is angry and how to deal with the person, it becomes easier for you.
Yes.
As well as easier for the person to calm down too.
Yes, of course, and plus it also it gives you a sense of satisfaction as an individual that you're there to help people. That you know, you are there for somebody. You are somebody who might be dealing with anxiety issues or self-esteem issues or depression. Maybe you're there to help them out. What is the biggest? What is, you know, apart from this, what can be the biggest achievement of your life? You're helping somebody to come out of that situation and just live a normal life, that you know you can be treated. You're not going through something that cannot be treated. तो आई थिंक वो चीज़ तो सबसे बड़ी होती है कि आप किसी के लिए हो हेल्प करने के लिए, और आप उनको एक प्रॉब्लम से, एक ऐसी सिचुएशन से निकाल रहे हो जहाँ पे उन्होंने होप ही लूज़ कर दी थी. तो आई थिंक साइकोलॉजी हैज़ जस्ट चेंज्ड माय ओन पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ लिविंग अ लाइफ. एंड कुछ चीज़ें हैं तो जो मैं अभी भी प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ कि यू नो हाउ टू जस्ट स्टे काम, हाउ टू बी अ गुड लिसनर, हाउ टू you know, when you're in a conversation, how to speak less and listen more. And you know, a lot of things that I own practice, I take, you know, a lot of things home with me कि हमें mindful कैसे रहना चाहिए, हमें stress manage कैसे करना चाहिए, हमें अपने लिए time निकालना कितना ज़रूरी होता है. You know, people who are working from 9 to 5, उनको अपने लिए time निकालना चाहिए. और this I would also say, because I think it's so much needed to take out time for your own self, where you're spending time with just yourself. You are doing things that you like, you are eating food that you like, you are listening to good music, something that makes you relaxed. तो आई थिंक कुछ चीज़ें हैं जो मैं अभी भी फॉलो करती हूँ और मैं ज़िंदगी भर शायद फॉलो करूँगी. And बस psychology does change your perspective of the way you live, of the way you treat people, of the way you are with people.
This is because you have started thinking in the other way around.
Yes.
You have started perceiving what psychology, the subject, has taught you, how to deal with people, how to be patient, how to keep smiling when you're dealing with the people with different moods and different ideas, different thoughts. Now, my another question is, people are always confused between psychology and psychologist and the psychiatrist. Now, kindly explain the difference so that people are aware. नहीं, we are going to the right person, because हमेशा dilemma क्या होता है, अच्छा हम psychiatrist नहीं psychologist, so what is the basic difference, जिससे कि जो idea है ना वो clear हो जाए.
Right, amazing question. Psychiatrist is somebody who can prescribe medicines. Psychiatrist is somebody who's a doctor who deals with, of course, deals with human mind and human behavior, and but somebody who doesn't give talk therapy. They prescribe medicines. On the other hand, psychologists, counselors, therapists, somebody who deal with talk therapy, somebody who does not prescribe medication, somebody who just has a client in front of them, who's just basically a listening ear for the client, and then helping the client to you know, come into a normal state, recover from whatever he's going through, and understanding through just talking and talking and talking and listening and listening and listening. There is no medications involved when a psychologist is you know, performing his role. And psychiatrist is somebody, psychiatrist basically एक medical field हो जाता है, psychologist is a non-medical field.
So this question was pertinent from the students' point of view also, because students are often confused where to go, psychology or psychiatry, or people who are dealing with different kinds of mental health issues. उनको भी confusion होता है, where to go, psychologist पे जाना है कि psychiatrist पे जाना है, and people are confused and they're in dilemma and they become very stringent. No, we are not bad, we are not mentally ill.
Yeah.
Why should we go to the psychiatrist? But they're not able to understand at that point. No, psychologist is going to help you.
Yeah.
He or she will be helping you what is the right path and where you are right now.
Yes.
So the world is changing, as we said, and we have lots and different kinds of stress at whatever stage we are. How important is our mental health? Because we have seen some people, those who are struggling with their physical disabilities or physical stresses, are usually caught by the mental health issues, and those people who are mentally strong, whatever diseases they are having, whatever issues they are having in their lives, they are able to cope up with that. So how mental health is important in today's world?
सो आई थिंक जितना आपकी फ़िज़िकल हेल्थ इम्पॉर्टेंट है, शायद उससे भी ज़्यादा आपकी मेंटल हेल्थ ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज अगर आप मेंटली ओके नहीं होगे, आप मेंटली सेन नहीं होगे, तो आप अपने बाकी एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइफ में फंक्शन नहीं कर पाओगे. You won't be able to give your 100% at school, at college, at your workplace, because you're not able to focus, you're not able to concentrate. आपकी अगर इमोशन एक्सप्रेशन कैपेबिलिटी सही नहीं होगी, तो आप कैसे फंक्शन कर पाओगे. जस्ट इमेजिन यू नो कि if you had a very bad fight at your house and you have to leave for college and you have a major exam and you can't miss it, but you have a very bad state of your mental health, how will you be able to manage your exam? That is where your tips and tricks come into play. You're able to keep your fight aside for that particular moment and you're able to then focus on your exam. But ये तभी आता है जब आप कॉन्शियसली अपने मेंटल हेल्थ पे या मेंटल हेल्थ को प्रायोरिटाइज करने की कोशिश करते हो. अगर आप कॉन्शियसली उस पर फोकस नहीं कर पा रहे हो, नहीं ध्यान दे पा रहे हो मेंटल हेल्थ पे, तो दैट टाइम वुड बी अ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट टाइम फॉर यू कि आप दोनों चीज़ों को सेग्रीगेट नहीं कर पा रहे हो, दोनों चीज़ों पे कंफ्यूज हो रहे हो, और दोनों चीज़ को मिक्सअप करके यू आर मेसिंग अप योर एग्जाम ऑल्सो, एंड मेसिंग अप, you have already messed up a fight in your family and then you're messing up a exam also, so that kind of becomes a mess. So I think psychology helps you in keeping your mental health also okay, in keeping your physical health, in keeping your surroundings also okay, and definitely it helps you improve your personality. मतलब आपकी personality में बहुत changes खुद ही आते हैं अगर आप एक, if I just give you one topic to read right now, if I give you a blog, you will see there are so many things which will change your perspective of thinking, change your perspective towards life. तो I think अगर आप psychology as a subject पढ़ोगे, उसमें तो इतनी चीज़ें हैं कि वो आपका perspective genuinely change कर देंगे.
Definitely, and we always believe in being a change maker for ourselves as well as for others too. Now, going back to our main topic, we have discussed a lot about the importance of psychology and how psychologists can make the biggest change in the world by bringing change in everybody's life, and you have well explained also. Now, going back to the careers part, my question is, if I am from the different background, from the science background say, or from the humanities background, but I have never thought of I'll be going towards psychology. So at school level or after leaving school, is it easier for me to get admission in any of the colleges which you have already explained in the previous session?
Of course, yes. You know, when I talk about this, I can remember one thing, that in my masters I had a my classmate. He was 28 years of age and he was a software engineer. So I think he was working and he wanted to switch to psychology, so engineering to psychology. So because I say psychology is a crucial subject and an interesting one, and he did wonderfully well in his academics also. So I think he switched from engineering to psychology. He wanted to study psychology. He did a full-time masters also, and I think even if you're from a science background, from a commerce background, you can pursue psychology in your after your 12th and even your masters. If you're coming from a different background, it is not a problem as such.
I've seen many people, I mean, whenever I talk to different people who have different communication skills, good communication skills, they always say, we love public dealing and we love to read people. Those people are already, I mean, they're already into public dealing and already into reading people's mind. So for those people who are really interested in to be in public dealing or in the communication field, yes, definitely psychology would be the better option for them.
Yes, because when you're talking to a client, you have to be really mindful and really clear of whatever you are speaking, because client has come to you in a very hopeless state. He doesn't know where to go, what to do, what to say, what not to say. तो आप उस टाइम उसके लिए you're like a god, nothing less than a god. So whatever you say, whatever you do, he'll follow, he or she will follow, and they'll think that जैसा साइकोलॉजिस्ट बोल रहे हैं मुझे वैसा ही करना है, बिकॉज दैट टाइम ही इज़ जस्ट फीलिंग वेरी होपलेस एंड हेल्पलेस एंड ही जस्ट वांट्स preventive steps, he just wants steps to improve himself. तो I think उस टाइम के लिए आप जो बोलते हो, आप जो कम्युनिकेट करते हो, हैज़ टू बी वेरी क्लियर, हैज़ टू बी वेरी टू द पॉइंट, एंड इट शुड बी इम्पार्टेड इन द क्लाइंट्स ब्रेन कि हाँ उसको ये समझ में आया है कि हमने जो भी बोला है. तो आई थिंक उसके लिए क्लैरिटी और कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बाय द वे, साइकोलॉजिस्ट डोंट रीड माइंड्स. ये बहुत बड़ा मिसकंसेप्शन है कि साइकोलॉजिस्ट आर माइंड रीडर्स. ऐसा नहीं है, but we really need to understand the person, and we can only do that by having a conversation with the person, having at least 2 to 3 sessions with that person and understanding what exactly he is going through. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम फेस रीड कर सकते हैं या माइंड रीड कर सकते हैं. येस, वी अंडरस्टैंड सर्टन एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ बिहेवियर कि वो इंटरेस्टेड है, नहीं इंटरेस्टेड है, व्हाट हिज नॉर्मल बिहेवियर इज़ लाइक, and you know certain aspects of his personality, but we definitely cannot read minds and face reads. But ये बहुत बड़ा misconception है that I wanted to address.
Now another question is what are the courses or the advanced courses available in India apart from our graduation part? So if I want to do the advanced courses, are there any available?
Yes, there are a lot of certification courses, lot of diploma courses in n number of domains. There is marital counseling, there is relationship counseling, child and guidance counseling, and so many certification courses that you can also do in lot of therapies. So there are a lot of therapies in psychology, like I would just mention a few: CBT, REBT, DBT. Lot of these therapies also, you know, people go through a lot of trainings, and they can get certified in those therapies. So I think diploma courses, apart from graduation and your post graduation, lot of diploma and certification training programs are there.
Now if you talk about going abroad and studying psychology, so after 12th or after my graduation I should go and pursue my careers in psychology. So what are the options in both the cases?
So options per se are a lot, but again, if you want to go for after your graduation or after your post graduation or after your bachelor's, that completely depends on you and your what area do you want to go. So if you're very clear and very you have that clarity कि मुझे काउंसलिंग में ही जाना है या मुझे फोरेंसिक में ही जाना है, so you can very well go after your 12th and you can pursue a specialized course abroad. But if you're really not clear of whether you want to go into the clinical aspect or the organizational aspect, it's better that you do a bachelor's here and then pursue your master's with a specialization abroad, and then you can maybe work there for a while, or maybe if you want to come back, you can come back and then practice your work here.
So these are the options for the students who are really looking for this option for themselves. Now if we talk about some minute careers, like in day-to-day life we meet psychologists. For example, if we are facing an interview board, sometimes we are unaware, we have a psychologist there and the person is there to watch us how we deal our interview with the interviewers. So like this we have n number of people working in different areas. So can you quote some of them with whom we have interaction in day to day lives, but we are still while dealing or while talking with them हमको पता नहीं होता हम किसी psychologist के सामने हैं.
So of course you have school counselors, you have these days lot of MNCs are also hiring psychologists for the HR position. So a lot of, because HR again is a field where you deal with lot of human interactions, deal with human behavior. So वहाँ पे आपके psychologists होते हैं, and school counseling, then organizational psychologists, then again hospitals में होते हैं, you have a different psychiatry ward for psychologists, and you have again psychologists practice in their own clinics, lot of practice, they do their trainings alongside practicing, and again we're like normal humans, we don't look different, we don't wear a white coat also. But yes, we definitely are empathetic, we are good listeners, and we'll definitely be able to help you out if you think of reaching out to us, which I think you should if you are dealing with any kind of issues. And you definitely should consult a psychologist if you really think that you have some issue in anything, stress, anxiety, anything, choti si choti cheez bhi, I think you should not let it go.
Yeah, it's just an addition to whatever you have explained about the various areas where one can proceed. I remember, going back to the memory lanes when I faced the interview board for the armed forces, and before going, I was explained that there would be a psychologist there, which we call them as GTOs. They are the psychologists, and during the interview, they grill us at such a level. They could perceive what we are saying, whether we are telling a lie or we are actually telling the truth. So we have the psychologist over there also,
Right.
who are there to perceive us, who are there to basically analyze the personality, whether we fit in or not. I have added this point over here because lots of students in India, they go for the armed forces, and
Yeah.
the curiosity level for the armed forces at the highest level. So be what you are, the psychologist is going to perceive you the way you are. So
Yes.
Miss Nandini, thank you so much for giving us this wonderful session where we discussed on the various aspects of psychology, why it is important, how a psychologist can make difference in somebody's life, and why it is important to read psychology. It is important to understand psychology. Thank you for giving us this
My
wonderful
pleasure.
session.
My pleasure.
So, dear friends, we believe that you have gathered lots and lots of information through our today's guest, Miss Nandini Datta, who has herself explained in detail what are the career options for you if you really want to make your careers in psychology. And we believe that you have gathered a lot, and of course, you can give your feedbacks to us. Our ID is cecgurukul.live@gmail.com. We would love to have your suggestions and feedbacks as well as your queries too. So we would be meeting again next Thursday and would be discussing on another career option. Till then, take good care of yourselves. Thank you, Ms. Nandini, once again, and thank you, dear friends, for watching us.